There are a lot of videos where babies with cerebral palsy are being forcefully cracked in the name of treatment. Cerebral palsy is a neurological condition. It happens due to injury or slow development of the brain. Cracking or popping of the muscles and joint does not help in cerebral palsy. It is not a joint and bone problem, so cracking bones does not treat the root cause. Cracking bones in babies can cause injuries. Children with cerebral palsy needs long-term physiotherapy and rehabilitation like muscle strengthening, stretching of tight muscles, functional training, balance and posture training, speech therapy and special education. There is no shortcut treatment for cerebral palsy. With long-term physiotherapy, children can progress safely.